Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Dammann from Greenwood Elementary. I would like to also say hello to our Harmon, Princeton, and Ardmore friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about subtracting numbers with 3 digits. The other day I showed how to subtract with 2 digits, and the strategies are really very similar. So if you want to follow along with paper and pencil, you may, or you can watch and then practice later. Okay, let's start by getting a couple examples of how to do this. Now, the first thing you're going to always do is check to see if you can indeed subtract. So you look over at your number, we've got 685, and think about what place each of those digits in. We have 600, 8 tens, 80, and 5 ones. So we start by saying, can I subtract the ones? Can you do that? 5 minus 1? And indeed you can. So if you can, go ahead and say 5 minus 1, 4. And then skip over to the tens. 8 minus 2, 6. And then here's just one more place on top of the 2-digit for the 3-digit. 6 minus 4 is 2. So if you are able to subtract because the top number is larger than the smaller bottom number, then you may go ahead and do so. Now, what happens if that's not the case? Okay. Now let's take a look at this example. We have 792. Now, step 1, check. Can you subtract? Well, let's look at our 700s, 9 tens, 2 ones. We start by trying to subtract the ones. 2 minus 5, 2. Take away 5. Can we take 5 away? No. So, as in doing 2 digits, 3 digits is the same. You draw the top number using 100 boxes, 10 sticks, and 1 circles. So let's go back over to our top number and draw 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. Okay, so as you see, we have 2, but we need to take 5 away. So the same thing from when we were subtracting the tens and the ones, we can find a 10 stick and ungroup it to get us some more ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right on top of that 10 stick, I ungrouped that 10 stick and I traded it in for ones. Okay, so step 3 is you're going to ungroup a 10 stick to get some ones. Now, just like before, when we go to subtract, this says we have 2 ones, but that's not true anymore, is it? We no longer have 2 ones. We have 10 plus 2, which is 12 ones. So you need to go ahead and fix the lies that are on your paper. So we're going to cross off that 2 and make it a 12. Now, we had 9, but that's no longer the case. We took 1 away, didn't we? So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to take this 9, cross it off, and make that an 8. Now we're going to go ahead and subtract. So we have 12 minus 5. is, well, 10 minus 5 is 5, and 2 more is 7. We have 8 minus 6, 2, and then go ahead and subtract the 100. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so let's see if we can do, oops, didn't mean to do that. One more example. Okay. That one out. And one more example. So taking a look at 463, we first check, can we subtract? Well, we have 460 tens, 3 ones. Subtract the ones. 3 minus 8. 3, can you take it away? No. So first thing you're going to do is draw the top number. And we're going to use, again, the 100 boxes, the 10 sticks, and the ones. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to change colors here. I wasn't doing that before. Now, we only have 3. We have to take 8 away. So what are we going to do? We're going to ungroup a 10 stick and get some ones. So right here, I'm going to use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have these 10 and these 3 more. This only says 3. Guess what that is? You guessed it. That's a lie. Fix the lie on your paper. So no longer do we have 3. We have 10 plus 3 is 13. Now we did have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This says 6. Fix that lie. It's 5. Now that we've ungrouped, we fixed our lies, we can go ahead and subtract. We have 13 minus 8. Well, 10 minus 8 is 2, and then there's those 3 more, which give us 5. We have 5 minus 3, 2, and then we have 4 minus 2, 2. And there is how to do double-digit subtraction when you don't have enough on top to borrow. There are other cases where you don't have enough tens, and we, in another lesson, will look at that. So we're going to, hopefully this explains and helps you with your 3-digit subtraction. If you have any problems, questions, please let your teacher know. Let me know if I'm your teacher, or any of our teachers here in Lakeview would love to help you if this is a little bit challenging. Hope this helps. Have a great day.